Hey guys, during this video, I'm going to tell you how to add location in Monday.com. So if you want to add a location on one of your projects in Monday.com, you have to follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com from your account. And once when you log in from your account, you will be redirected to this home page. And from here, you can open any project that you're working on. For example, if I've opened this project and now if I want to add location here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on this plus icon which says add column. And once when I do it, I'm going to go here on more column and then I am going to write location here. Here you go. I have this location app right here. I'm going to click add to board and that's it. Now I have added location here and now I am going to write my location. So this is how you add location in Monday.com. There is another way that you can add location. You have to go here on the main table and then you have to click on these three dots right here. No, sorry, you have to click on this plus, add view, and then you have to click on apps. Explore more apps. And here what you can do, you have to find the right app. Okay, it's going to take a lot of time. So let's do one easier thing. We can just write maps here. Here you go. This is what you can do. Open in board. And here you go. A map has been added. And this is actually showing the two locations that we have added here. Here in our table. So we can also use map as an external feature to your main table. That's completely up to you. But yeah, this is how you do it. So this is how you add your location in Monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.